Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of cooking here today. So today we're gonna prepare some nice fried egg to go with roti. So oil is pretty much hot already, and we would have blended up some nice garlic. So we're gonna go ahead and fry this up first. Garlic and onion. You can chop your onion and garlic the regular way, but when you blend it up, it's better. So then when you're ready to cook your stuff, you already have them ready. Easier that way. So we're gonna fry this up a little. In the meantime, while that's frying up, we're gonna go ahead and get your egg prepared. So we have 6 eggs here. We're gonna beat it up. And add a touch of salt. Some black pepper. And some nice parsley flakes. Makes it look really good. Also add a nice flavor to it. Seems like our onion and garlic. Fry it up. Alright, so now we're gonna add our egg. And we're gonna let this fry up nice brown and nice. Hey guys, so here you go. Our egg pretty much completed. Brown and nice, not too brown. It's gonna go with nice roti now. So, thanks again for watching in. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And also click the bell so you'll be notified as soon as a new video is uploaded. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.